If you're interested to know how I made this animation by OpenArt AI, this was made very easily, but copying from other video online. I used edit video option on OpenArt, uh, where I can upload my video here. This is the video where I used, which I used.
Hydraulic cylinders can push harder than they can pull, even though both sides use.
But it's very delicate way to copy the same movement of the original video and keeping the same structure for everything. So what I did, I used ChatGPT first. I upload one picture screenshot from the original video, and I told it I want to edit the video with an OpenArt. The video is about double acting cylinder. It's a simple drawing. This changes need I need to change the entire look of the entire video look. Blurred industrial green factory background, dramatic studio lighting, highly detailed reflection. Check the photo and act as a cinematic AI video prompt generator, specialized in ultra realistic hydraulic press content, and give me correct prompts. In this way, the prompt was generated. I used it in OpenArt. I placed, I uploaded the video here, and I put the text here, and this is the result. It's exactly the same video we started with, but polished and have a nicer look. If you're interested in doing such videos, you can look online for something like this drawing, simple drawing, and make it more professional, so you can generate more videos online. Uh, this is the way how you do it. You ask ChatGPT, you get a screenshot of the video you want, describe to ChatGPT what you want to do with that video, and tell it to maintain the same structure through all the video. Just make it more professional, and it will create it to you with OpenArt. Currently, OpenArt can give you the edits for the long, I think for the full length of the video. Yes, it can edit the full video, but the longer the video, the more costly it will be. That's all. Hope you enjoy it. uh, don't forget to subscribe and support us. We're just starting. uh, I'm not good at it, but we'll grow more and more with your support. Thank you.